Now it's time to put in green coloring. Make the slime in the same style. Slimes start working like stress relievers as soon as you put in coloring. You can feel calm while watching the mixture change colors. It works like a chromotherapy element. Knead the kiwi color slime. Put it on top of the other two. Stick a drinking straw into it. Take a Ziploc bag. Put in white slime without coloring added. Lock the bag and snip off a corner. Squeeze the white slime in a spiral topping. We've got the tastiest looking slime cocktail. Sprinkle it with seed beads and glitter to embellish the fake dessert. Put on a lid. Your friend takes the cocktail. What's wrong with it? It's too stretchy. Oh, my smoothie cocktail has spoiled. Wow, it's not a cocktail, but slime. Pull it out of the cup and do with it whatever you like. It behaves like a real cocktail. It's been separated into several layers while in the cup and mixed up when out. The slime cocktail colors have mixed up to turn into an even shade. What about sweet M&Ms? Not exactly sweet, but quite unusual. Shape M&M candies in air-drying clay. Draw a letter M on the candies using a correction pen. We've made the chocolate slime by mixing clear glue, washing detergent, and eyeshadow. The candies stick to the chocolate slime. Mix them up. Put it in a jar labeled M&Ms. Treat your friend with the candies. What's there inside the jar? It's something sticky, and the chocolate smells strangely. Oh, it's not candies, but cool chocolate-colored slime. It doesn't look edible, but it stretches well and doesn't stick to your hands. What do you think about sea slime? Let's make it to know what it looks like. Mix clear glue with hair gel. Add a little borax. Stir well. The mixture's thickening before your eyes. We've got clear slime of an aquamarine shade. It doesn't stick to your hands. Sprinkle it with silver and blue seed beads. Put in a few stars. Add some pearls from the seabed and some golden sand from the seacoast. Wrap the slime as if there's a storm on the sea. You have a pocket sea in your hands, shimmering and shining. You've got your own piece of the ocean. Put the slime in a jar. You can rule the waves. Imagine yourself being Poseidon, or at least a mermaid. The next slime is pale pink. Take clear glue as the base. Add a little washing detergent. Mix it up. Watch it changing its consistency. We've got semi-liquid light slime. Decorate it with beads. Sprinkle with pink glitter. As it adds color, don't spare the embellishment. Put in white glitter to make it shine. You can add light seed beads. Put the slime together. We've got sparkly pale pink slime. We can entice a unicorn with this amazing slime. Put it in a clear jar. Will the unicorn appear? There's so much glitter and embellishments. The slime also looks like cotton candy. Let's make our own galaxy. Make the same base like you did for the sea slime. There's hair gel, clear glue, and borax. Put in purple eyeshadow. Add a little pink. Stir well. Knead the slime to spread the eyeshadow all over the slime. We've got an unbelievable space shade. Let's launch some silver seed beads and a little glitter. Sprinkle a few stars all over. Let your galaxy be the most beautiful in the universe. Stick a wick in each jar to prank your friend with a set of scented candles. They look so glamorous. Your friend's going to ignite a candle, but there's no wax inside. Pull out the space substance and test any theories of astronomy. What does it look like? A big bang, a black hole, or alien life? You can spend all day long by stretching, squeezing, twisting, or kneading these awesome slimes. Write in your comments which slime you liked the most and which pranks your friends found the most entertaining. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Click the bell to be aware of every little thing on our channel.